Hey friends, welcome to my Food Diary 16. Today I will share with you a easy fish recipe, chili fish. So let's get started. Now let's look at the ingredients we need. We need fish, rice flour, capsicum, ketchup, soy sauce, chopped ginger and garlic, chili sauce, white vinegar and onion. Now let's see how to prepare the veggies. For capsicum, go around the stem, leaving the core and the seeds behind. This will give you around 3 to 5 pieces of capsicum to work with. Now take the capsicum slices and cut it into triangles. Make sure the pieces are a bit big as it gives a nice mouthfeel. Now let's roll with the onions. Cut it into half, remove the part that contains the root and then dice it into quarters. If you are using small onions, no need to quarter it, you can use it half. After cutting the onions, we need to separate the layers of the onions. Now comes my favorite part, preparing ginger and garlic. Remember the technique? This will be useful for any Chinese cooking that you do. Finally dicing and chopping ginger and garlic. Take the garlic and finely slice it. Then after that, make a lump of it, place your hands on the top of the knife and go chop chop chop. This is the second most relaxing exercise in the kitchen. First, I will tell some other time. That was really relaxing, so much so that I did it twice. The steps to prepare ginger is also the same, just follow the same procedure. Remember to keep your hand on the blunt edge and not the sharp one. Now that our vegetables are prepared, let's see how to prepare the fish. Take the fish and coat it with rice flour. Make sure there is an even coating of rice flour all around. My fish was seasoned with turmeric and salt as this was a leftover from another dish. That recipe some other day. You can just season your fish with salt and pepper, that works just fine. Repeat the same process for all your fish. You can even double coat the fish for that extra bit of crunch. The fish I am using contains bones, but it doesn't has to be. You can use small chunks of boneless fish. Now that all the fish is coated, let's see how to fry the fish. In a pan, heat some oil, keep the flame to medium and put the fish to fry. Remember the sequence in which you add the fish, preferably take them out in the same sequence as it helps the fish to fry evenly. Flip the fish after frying for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. After the fish is golden brown, increase the flame to high and give it a good blast of 30 seconds. That helps for extra crispiness. Now that the fish is ready, take it out onto a paper towel to drain off the extra oil. Now let's move on to making the sauce for the fish. In a pan, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. We will be cooking the sauce on high flame. So make sure the flame is high and the oil is fully heated before adding finely chopped ginger and garlic. Now that ginger garlic is golden brown, let's move to the next step. Now let's add our chopped onions and remember to keep the flame high. Next goes in the capsicum. After adding capsicum, stir well. We will give a minute or two to the capsicum. We don't want to fully cook it, we want the crunch to be there. Now time to add the salt. Just add a little bit of salt as soy sauce also contains salt and keep that in consideration. Along with that in goes some freshly cracked black pepper and a lots of it. Now comes the time to add our sauces. First goes in the soy sauce, next comes in the white vinegar. Now the chili sauce, giving it a stir. Now adding ketchup, a lots of it to balance out the saltiness of the soy sauce. Now comes the most important part of the dish, adding the fish. After adding the fish, just toss it around in the sauce so that fish gets an even coating of the sauce and just give it a minute or two on the flame and your dish is ready to be served. Pro tip, this goes really well with fried rice and noodles. Pro tip, don't use so many utensils as I showed you as you have to wash it too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes like this. Thank you for watching.